increase, manipulate lot size, Metatrader 4 and 5. Hello trader, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I have another question. Kevin, he's beginner trader and he wants to know how to change lot size and manipulate lot size. So first thing that I want to show some trick, I think that a lot of traders don't know this, that you can go to the tools options and choose a trade. When you do that, you can set, for example, preferred lot size for every single trade that you want to do. I have last used because when you trade every single day, usually you use a similar risk management and you trade in lot, 1, 2, 3 lots, etc. However, you can set here default lot size. For example, I can put 1 micro lot or I can put 1 lot, and whatever you try to create a trade, by default you will see 1 lot on your screen. So this is one trick that you need to know if you want to manipulate and set lot size by default. Now let me talk about trading. When you make an order, for example, I want to buy 2 micro lots of S&P 500 like this. In that case, you can edit your trade if you go and with the right mouse you choose a modify or delay the order. For example, here what you can do, you can modify this order and change the stop loss and target. However, you cannot increase the volume, the lot size of your trade because you enter in some price and you cannot back to the past to change the lot size. So the lot size you can only decrease, you cannot increase. For example, right now, like I said, I have a 2 micro lots. If I choose 1 micro lot and currently I have a 2 micro lots, if I close a trade, as you can see, I will decrease lot size and now I will have 1 micro lot instead 2 micro lot. In that case, I will decrease my position. As I said, when you make an order, you can change in volume, micro lots, mini lots, lots, define the stop loss target. However, I will repeat, you can change a lot size only if you try to decrease the lot size of the current trade. However, you cannot increase a lot size of position because the position is already made in the past and you cannot back to past to change that. So I hope that it's clear right now. If you have any question, you can ask on my YouTube channel, and this is something that is valid for everyone. If you have any question related to the trading systems, trading strategies, if you have any question related to Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5, TradingView, or any other platform, please ask and I will try to create a video and explain that problem. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye-bye.